Benny's First Love music video isn't just a cute song about romance. It's basically a scrapbook of what first love actually feels like. And let's be honest, first love hits different, even if it was just your elementary school crush who, until now, still hasn't noticed you. The MV captures the innocence and excitement of first love, that moment when you suddenly feel dizzy, not because of the heat, but because of the butterflies. Even simple eye contact feels like it deserves a whole background soundtrack. But it's not just boxed into romance. The cameos and interactions show that love comes in many forms: friendship, companionship, even family. Sometimes your first love isn't a person at all. It can be the first time you felt safe, accepted, or genuinely happy. The visuals are soft and pastel, almost like a daydream. It's not meant to look realistic. It's designed to show how love looks inside your head. You know, like when everything goes into slow motion, and somehow there's a wind effect even when there's no electric fan around. The lyrics repeat ideas of remembering and longing. Day and night, I remember. It's that cycle we all know too well, replaying tiny little moments in your head, even if the actual interaction only lasted 5 seconds. Classic. And then there are the short scenes with the cast, like snapshots of different first love experiences. They're not just telling one story, but many versions of it. It's the MV's way of saying, no matter what your story looks like, we've all felt that same spark. So in the end, first love isn't just about your first crush. It's about that universal feeling of discovering something that makes your heart race for the very first time. It's fun, it's dreamy, and it's painfully relatable. Because admit it, you still remember your first love, or at least the first person who gave you a reason not to skip class.
Action, akyat. Maloy, Sheena, open. Ang unang pagsubok na pagdadaanan nyo ay ito. Nakikinig ba kayo? Yes! Tara, girls, game! Tara, kaya natin to! Oh my God, excited na ako! Yay! Cut.
Picture. Ah, that's cute. Three, go.
Wala akong Shika, gawin mo. Ito gawin mo. Bebe, come here. Tayo? Ako magawa?
Oo.
Hindi, kayo dalawa niya. Ang lakas niya. Kami ni Shi. Feeling ko kaya ako ni Shi. Wait lang. Baka masaktan ka.
Hindi mo naman makakadali sa mga
paano ba? Hindi ko kaya si Mix. Ang sakit nung kay Mix.
Kasi bakit lang ito?
Wait lang. Wala pa. 1, 2, 3, go.
Papatayin! Diba? Isa pa nga dyan, one more round.
Busy, wala akong effort. Seryoso.
Lakas sobra!
Hindi yung pinakatadiin mo.
Sige. One.
Lakas ako pasta. Ako
Matutulis ka dyan. 1, 2, 3, go.
Nasa liya, tignan mo.
Sige, lalaitan ko na. Hindi mo, yung pinakamalakas.
Wala text na ako.
Sabay tayo.
Ayaw mo na, ang sakit sa'yo.
Ayaw, hindi ko talaga.